Do you know how important protein is in your diet? Let's delve into the significance of protein in our daily consumption. Imagine protein as the building blocks of life, essential for the growth, repair, and maintenance of your body. From the cells in your skin and hair to those in your muscles and organs, every single one of them requires protein to function optimally. But that's not all. Protein is also the key player in the production of hormones and enzymes. Picture hormones as the body's chemical messenger, carrying signals between cells. Now imagine enzymes as the body's worker, speeding up chemical reactions to maintain life. Without protein, these vital processes would grind to a halt. So the next time you sit down for a meal, remember, the protein on your plate isn't just filling you up. It's fueling your body's growth, repair, and essential functions. Indeed, protein plays a crucial role in various bodily functions. But where can you get this important nutrient, you may wonder? Well, protein is bountiful in a variety of foods from both the animal and plant kingdoms. When we think of animal-based protein sources, lean meats often come to mind. From chicken breast to lean cuts of beef, these are packed with the protein your body craves. But don't forget about fish. Salmon, tuna, and other fish are not only protein-rich, but also provide heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids. Dairy products like milk, cheese, and yogurt are also excellent sources of protein. And of course, let's not forget about eggs, a versatile protein source perfect for any meal of the day. On the plant side, legumes such as lentils, chickpeas, and black beans are protein powerhouses. And nuts and seeds, they're not just for the birds. Almonds, sunflower seeds, and chia seeds are just a few examples of protein-rich plant foods. As you can see, there are numerous sources of protein to suit all dietary preferences. What happens if you don't get enough protein in your diet? Let's delve into the possible effects of protein deficiency. First off, protein is vital for muscle maintenance. A lack of it can lead to muscle wasting, as your body starts to consume its own muscle tissue to meet its protein needs. This isn't just an issue for gym-goers or athletes, it's a concern for everyone. Secondly, a protein-poor diet can weaken your immune system. Protein forms the building blocks of antibodies, the body's soldiers against diseases and infections. So skimping on protein might leave you more vulnerable to illnesses. Finally, protein plays a crucial role in healing. Whether it's a minor cut or a major surgery, your body needs protein to repair tissues and speed up recovery. Protein deficiency can have serious consequences, from muscle loss to a compromised immune system and slow wound healing. Clearly, it's important to ensure you're getting enough protein in your diet. So, how much protein do you actually need? This is a question that may have crossed your mind. The answer isn't a one-size-fits-all, as it depends on several factors like your age, sex, and activity level. For an average adult, the recommended daily intake is about 50 grams of protein. However, if you're more active or engage in intense workouts, your body could require more to repair and build muscles. In this case, you might need to consume up to 1 gram of protein per pound of your body weight. Now let's say you're a woman who's expecting or nursing. Your protein needs are higher, as you're nourishing not just yourself but another life too. The recommended intake in such scenarios is about 70 to 100 grams daily. Also, it's crucial to remember that as we age, our protein needs may increase to maintain muscle mass and strength. Remember, the right amount of protein for you may be different from someone else, and that's perfectly okay. Now that you understand the importance of protein in your diet, let's do a quick recap. We've learned how protein is essential for our bodies, playing a crucial role in muscle growth, tissue repair, and immune function. We've also looked at various sources of protein, from lean meats to legumes, showing you that it's not just about animal products. We've discussed the potential effects of protein deficiency, which can lead to muscle wasting, weakened immunity, and other health problems. And we've also talked about how to figure out how much protein you need based on factors like your age, sex, and activity level. It's all about balance and making sure you're getting enough of this vital nutrient in your diet. So take a moment to assess your own protein intake and make any necessary adjustments. Remember, your body relies on you to fuel it correctly. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and check out the links in the description for more information. Stay healthy, stay strong.